Kid Next Door.
Hello everyone, my name is Yuvika and today I will make an interesting sandwich for you. So we first need some slices of bread, some peanut butter, any jam of your choice, and some chocolate syrup if you have. Alright, so let's get started. First we need to toast the bread in the toaster. And we have to carefully take the hot bread out using the tongs. Now let's take one big empty bowl. Take 2 spoonfuls of peanut butter into it. Then add 2 spoons jam. And mix it really well. So we are making one spread, a customized spread for us. Now take the toasted bread and transfer this mixture onto the bread. Now you have to take a butter knife and spread this mixture evenly throughout. Peanut butter has got richness of peanuts. It's very high in protein. And jam, as we all know, it's made out of fruits. By combining the goodness of fruits and proteins, we have made a very healthy spread for us. This mixture is going to be a little sticky, so you have to have some patience and spread it. Now slice the sandwich into 2 and you can drizzle some chocolate syrup over it. This is gonna make your sandwich look yummy-licious. Enjoy! If you like, please subscribe. Bye-bye!